How my bookkeeping business got over 100 clients. That's what I'm going to share in this video today. My name is Zach Pasquarello, and I have had a bookkeeping business for the past 3 years, and I make these videos every single day because I want to teach you how to start and grow your bookkeeping business. If you want to schedule a consultation with me, there's a link in the description below. You can use that link to schedule a one-on-one meeting with me. I'd be happy to work with you and talk with you about bookkeeping, QuickBooks, and your business. Okay, let's not waste any time. I want to jump right into it, and I want to share with you specifically how I was able to get over 100 clients in my bookkeeping business. Like I said, I started 3 years ago, and I was able to quit my full-time job and grow my bookkeeping business to the point where I was self-sufficient, paying all my bills, working from home, and running the business that I love. I tell people all the time, starting a bookkeeping business is a 4-step process. First, you need to learn bookkeeping in QuickBooks. Second, you need to learn marketing and sales. Third, you need to learn how to deliver A+ customer service. And 4, you need to work really, really hard. I think learning bookkeeping in QuickBooks is probably the easiest step. And the second step, marketing and sales, is the most challenging step in the beginning because you need to learn how to get clients. But I think once you get 5 to 10 clients, I think delivering A+ customer service is going to create a self-sustaining system for your business to attract more and more clients. And that's what I'm going to talk about in this video. So if you deliver A+ customer service, your current clients will do your marketing and sales for you. That's because nothing beats personal referrals. If you do a great job with your current clients, you might only have 5 clients, but imagine if those 5 clients tell 5 of their closest friends and family about their current bookkeeper and how great he or she is. All of a sudden, your 5 clients have now done marketing and sales for you to 25 other people. And those 25 other people are much more likely to trust and hire you because somebody they know personally has already recommended you. That's why it's so important that you learn how to communicate effectively with your clients and deliver A+ customer service. Bookkeeping is a very personal service. You will literally have access to their bank accounts. You're going to see how they spend their money. And a lot of people hold tight their budget and their financial documents. You're going to have to ask a lot of difficult questions to these business owners. So these potential clients need to trust you. Now I'm going to talk about how specifically you can deliver A+ customer service. And this is so super important. So I really want you to pay attention to these next few steps. I hear all the time that local CPA firms aren't even taking on new clients. That's because most CPA firms are super busy, especially during tax time, and they don't want to work with new small businesses. A lot of larger accounting firms and CPAs aren't even taking on new clients. Also, accountants are notorious for having bad people skills. Accountants are generally numbers people. They're not necessarily great communicators. They don't have the best social skills. And this is just a generalization. Some accountants are extroverts and have great communication skills and great social skills. But on average, accountants get the stereotype of having bad people skills. So this is your opportunity to stand out from other bookkeepers and other accountants. You don't need to be an extrovert to deliver A+ customer service. You just need to have basic communication skills, and you need to genuinely be willing to help your clients. All bookkeeping services are generally the same. You're going to categorize their transactions, reconcile their accounts, create invoices, pay bills, generate financial statements. All of that is pretty much the same. If you are a good bookkeeper, you are going to do all of that. And if the other guy, if your competition across the street is also a good bookkeeper, she will be doing all of those basic bookkeeping fundamentals. That's not how you're going to stand out. You're going to stand out by delivering A+ customer service. Now let's take a look and see what that looks like. You should really be polite to your clients and prospective clients. You don't want to put them down. You're going to be talking to a lot of business owners who know nothing about finances. They know nothing about accounting. Some people might not even know how to log into their bank, and that's okay because you're their bookkeeper. You're going to solve that problem for them. So you need to encourage them, and you need to make them feel less stressed out. You don't want to put them down. You don't want to be mean to them. You need to be polite, and you need to offer to help them and solve their problems. CPA firms and bookkeepers are generally very busy, especially during tax time. I already said that a lot of CPA firms don't even take on new clients. So this is your opportunity. If you're new, you need to respond to emails quickly. You need to answer the phone, especially if it's a prospective client. I just got a phone call a couple days ago at 8 in the morning, and I'll be honest, I did not want to take the phone call, but I answered the phone anyway, and it was a local construction company, and they're looking at hiring their very first bookkeeper. I had a 20-minute conversation with them, and I ended up landing the client, probably all because I answered the phone. I think that is one of the most important things whenever it comes to delivering high-quality customer service. You need to answer the phone for prospective clients, but also it's really important, answer the phone whenever a current client is calling you. Especially if they're a difficult client, you probably don't want to answer the phone. You might be busy, but it's going to make your client very happy, and it's going to help solve their problems, and it's going to help reassure them that you genuinely care about helping them. By you answering the phone, you're going to set yourself well above most other CPA firms, most other bookkeepers, because answering the phone can be difficult at times, especially if you're busy, especially if that client is difficult to work with. But I promise you, it will pay dividends in the end, because by delivering customer service to this hard to work with client, they will be more likely to recommend you to their friends and family, thus enabling you to grow your bookkeeping business because more and more people will hire you. So by simply answering the phone, that is a very basic thing you can do to help grow your bookkeeping business. Additionally, you can offer weekly meetings. It doesn't have to be for 2 hours every single week, and most business owners aren't even going to set up meetings with you, but at the very least, offer a 15 or 30-minute weekly meeting with all of your current clients and your prospective clients. Like I said, most people aren't going to meet with you, but it at least helps to reassure your clients that you are willing to work with them, you are available to help them, and you want to genuinely solve their problems. This is going to help you land new clients and also make your current clients very happy and feel like you are there for them. I'm gonna wrap up this video by saying, do their bookkeeping regularly. So many CPA firms wait until tax time, wait until the end of the year to do their bookkeeping, and this is a big no-no. If you are a bookkeeper, you need to be doing their bookkeeping at least once a week for a couple reasons. That way, they can see their financial statements in real time. Your clients need to know how profitable they were last month, how much money they spent last month. That way they can make changes accordingly, and they can plan for paying their taxes. Also, you're going to have questions for these clients. And if you do their bookkeeping once a quarter, your client's not going to know where they spent that $1,000 3 months ago. So you need to do their bookkeeping every single week. That way, if you have a question for them, you can say, hey, client, where did you spend this $500 last week? That question will be infinitely easier for them to answer than, hey, where did you spend this $500 3 months ago? So do their bookkeeping regularly. And finally, very important that you send them their financial statements every single month. I recommend try to do it in the first 5 days of every single month. This way your clients have accurate, up-to-date bookkeeping. They can see how much money they spent last month. And by delivering this customer service, this high quality customer service, your current clients are much more likely to recommend you to their friends and family.